Okay, welcome everyone. Let's give, okay. Welcome everyone. Thank you for attending our today's information session. I'm excited to talk with you today about accounting programs. Let's get started. So agenda for today, you will receive the email for discount for attending live today. And we will go through the accounting program information, including the 2 certificate program and the courses, what is enrollment options and pricing, and about how to finance your education. To the end of the information session, we will go with the Q&A. So feel free to input your question to our Q&A box. Just for attending today's information session, you will receive $100 off your first class with us. So we will be sending out a follow-up email in the next day also. Please note this offer cannot be combined with any other discount. My name is Kathy. Here you can see I am the enrollment coach for accounting programs. I have included my email and my calendar is up to date. So feel free to reach out to me to schedule one-on-one meeting, either with a Zoom meeting or phone call. Okay, so given our limited time today, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our program structure. You can find a lot of great information on our website. I also encourage you to contact me if you have any specific questions or would like to discuss the best course plan for you. So for our accounting program, it is completely online. Each class is 4 quarter units. You can do a certificate as a bundle, or you can take individual course. So there are 2 certificate programs, accounting principles, including 4 courses, accounting specialist program, including 5 courses. Completing the coursework in both certificates meets accounting education requirements for you to sit for the CPA exam. So they can be taken concurrently, or you will need to be sure about the prerequisite. So we are following quarter system. There are 4 quarters in a year. Each quarter is about 3 months long. So we generally recommend people who are working full-time just take 1 course per quarter. The first certificate we offer is the Principal Certificate. This certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience or for those who may be working in the field but who don't have formal or recent coursework. So Accounting Principal Certificate offers core coursework. It is similar to an undergraduate manner. So you will want to begin with the Principles of Financial Accounting class, which is offered every quarter, and all other courses are offered every other quarter. So you can see the 4 courses included in the Principal Certificate. The first class is the Principles of Financial Accounting. And the second one is Intermediate Accounting Part 1. That is a prerequisite for the Intermediate Accounting Part 2 as well. The specialist certificate is designed for those who are already working as accounting or have already taken some accounting coursework. For example, if you minored in accounting as an undergraduate, this would be the right program for you since you already been in the core coursework. Once again, so the Principles of Financial Accounting course is the required prerequisite for all other courses, which means that if you are interested to start with the specialist program, you will need to reach out to me, send me the transcript within the 5 years indicated that you already met the prerequisite course requirement, the Principles of Financial Accounting. And the students are not required to take the principal certificate prior to pursuing the specialist certificate program. You just need to make sure the prerequisite course, which means that it is not necessary for you to complete the whole certificate program. That really depends on your own situation. If you have already taken the Principles of Financial Accounting, this prerequisite course elsewhere, so make sure that you send me the transcript. So all the courses can be taken in any order. You do not need to follow the order listed here to take the class. So we are offering courses in the different quarters. Just make sure you fulfill the prerequisite course requirement, and then you can take the course whatever that we are offering per quarter. Additional information. So for those people who are interested in sitting for the CPA exam, if you are taking all the 9 of our 2 accounting programs, 9 courses, you will be able to meet the 36 quarter units requirement, including the ethics in accounting. So I really recommend you visiting the CA, the California Board of Accountancy, to see other requirement. There will be the tax prep service. It is called a Becker test prep to learn more about exactly what is required. And also I will include the CPA website in the follow-up email. Okay, so you can pursue our certificates in 2 ways. First is at your own pace, which means that you will just to enroll 1 course at a time and pay as you go. Or you have and then you have 5 years to complete all coursework, which means that in some quarter, if you want to take a break, you have a maximum 5 years to complete all the required courses, starting counting from the first course you already started. And you will need to pay the certificate registration fee. That is $125. That is eligible for individual course enrollment as well, so such as early enrollment tuition discount. And also, if you already taken some courses, similar courses to our curriculum, feel free to email the transcript. There will be a transfer 1 class per certificate program. The other way, the second way for you to enroll is the fast track. Enroll in the fast track section means that you are committing to set course plan. Take 1 course per quarter continuously. Make sure this plan is right for you since you are committing to this course plan and may incur fees and penalties if you need to make changes. All courses must be taken with us, and you will need to pay the upfront payment with a 15% off tuition discount. Also, you will get a certificate registration fee waived. Now let's get into the pricing for the program. So textbooks are not included and run about $100 to $200 per course. We will post our textbook information on the website. You can get it cheaper as books as you go online into the different bookstores. So we recommend that about a certificate registration from the beginning can be submitted at the beginning once you are about to complete your first class. If you are interested in pursuing fast track option, you will need to select that program before you enroll in your first class. So you can see here, fast track is for the principal program, you pay $2,992. After this is already after 15% off tuition discount in full at the time of enrollment. And you can save about $525 on the cost of the program. If you do individual enrollment course by course, they will make the total tuition for the principal program to $3520. So that means you will need to pay $880 per course at a time. For the accounting specialist program, if you are going with the fast track, the lump sum tuition is $3,740. And at your own pace, that is the same with the principal program, $880 per course. Total will be $4,400. Okay, so here is the list of our upcoming classes starting in spring, April 3rd to June 25th. So you can see each class follows a weekly schedule, and you will receive guidance and feedback on your work from an instructor with first-hand knowledge of the field. We'd recommend you to spend about 10 hours per week per course. So if you don't have no previous accounting experience, you can start with the Principles Financial Accounting. The principle of financial accounting is offered every quarter, and the upcoming spring classes for the intermediate accounting part 2, if you want to take this one, you will need to make sure you already have the prerequisite principles of financial accounting and you have already taken intermediate accounting part 2, part 1. And for the auditing and the financial statement analysis, these are the two specialist program courses. The same thing, you will need to make sure you already meet the prerequisite course. Okay, so here, how to finance your education. We do accept many types of special funding, like a YOA, like a student loan, job training funds, company voucher, VA benefits, and all this special funding we are going to accept. So if you are interested in exploring funding from private loans or government assistance, such as a VA and a YOA, and you can contact me or contact our finance advisor, Suzette. She is the specialist in collaborating all the different funding options. So here is the news of our new career services. There will be a free career resource now to all our students. So we are going to have a new platform for the professional development. As our student, you now have access to a completely free career resources platform that can help you to develop or refine your professional goals, build a career plan, and create a professional brand to boost your communication and leadership skills. And also on the learning platform, on this platform, you can also create or update a resume. So once you become enrolled student, you will have this free resource. Okay, so right now we are going to enter into the Q&A. Please take a moment to type your questions in the Q&A box on the screen. Here I see. If we do the fast track, can we skip the summer quarter? For the fast track, this already a setup course plan. So you will need to follow the fast track course plan. Means that you cannot skip. If there is a setup course already in the fast track, there is a summer class, you cannot skip that. This is a completely online class. It is asynchronous class. There's no live session you need to attend. We'd recommend you to spend 10 hours on a weekly basis assignments, which means that you can access to the learning platform anytime during the day or anytime during the week to complete your homework, your recorded videos, your readings, and your assignments. The next question is, the credit I earned through this certificate program can be transferable to your master in accounting program. Yes, there are 2 courses can be transferred to our master of accountancy at UC Davis. I can send you, you can please feel free to reach out to me. I can send you the specific course that you can transfer. Next question is, can we use the $100 discount on registration fees? No, the $100 discount for information session just for the class tuition, not for the registration. So usually people are asking about how many classes should I take in a quarter if I work full-time. Usually, as most of our students as full-time working professional, taking 1 course per quarter is manageable. What is the registration deadline for the spring quarter? Thank you for your question. So there is no hard enrollment deadline. You can enroll in the class before the start date on the spring, which is April 3rd. And also we can accept enrollment after 1 week after the class starts as well. After enrolling, when do we find out the schedule? After enrolling, you will receive enrollment confirmation email that will indicate what is the requirement, and there is no live session or schedule you need to follow. Really, you can pace your own time per week. Will my principles of accounting course I have taken at a junior college count for the UC Davis course? Please send me the transcript. We will do the review and I will let you know if this course can be transferred or not. The credit I earned for Principal of Financial Accounting and Accounting Part 1 is from EOK. Can I use this to earn the credits and skip these classes? The same thing, I'd recommend you to email me first. You will need to email me your transcript as well as the course description because we will need to see if the curriculum is similar or the same. Any other questions? People are usually asked about is there a recommended order in which to take the classes? The thing is that as long as you meet the prerequisite, and then you can just you do not need to follow the order because usually we are offering 2 to 3 or 3 to 4 courses per quarter, including accounting principal courses as well as specialist courses. Will the recording of this webinar be available to us? Yes, that will be sent out in the follow-up email as well. Next one is, once we start with our first course in the principal certificate, will all additional classes be offered in order? Will there be gaps in the way the classes are offered? Actually, we do not, there's no order need to be followed, including the different courses are offering in the quarter. You will just need to make sure you want to do the principal certificate or specialist certificate. We are offering both courses from both the certificate programs every quarter. Is taking 2 classes at a time manageable? That's a great question. Thank you. That really depends on your personal schedule. Let's say if you are unemployed, if you think that you can spend at least 20 to 24 hours per week for the class, for the homework, then that's doable. We do have students do 2 courses per quarter, but it's very rare. So you just need to feel free to reach out to me. Some people, you do not need to, based on your own situation or personal goal or career goal in the future, you can take individual course, or you want to take the whole certificate program, or you want to take both of the certificate programs. That really depends on the academic goal and academic plan. How long is the program? Let's say, for example, if you are going to take a principal certificate program, there are courses in this program. If you are following 1 course per quarter, so there will be 4 quarters you need to complete. So that is a year you can complete the program. But in order for you to receive certificate, some people will take a break in between. You have a maximum of 5 years to complete all the required 4 courses. If let's say, for example, if you take 1 course, if you already taken 1 course in 2016, and you want to resume the principal certificate program this year, so this course may not be count. So you will need to redo the course. When is the last day we have to register for the April 3rd, the start date? I'd recommend you to enroll in the class on or before April 3rd so that you will receive the online learning platform login information in the morning of April 3rd. Or if you think that there is something delayed from your end, you can still enroll in the class 1 week after April 3rd. Thank you for your time, and let me conduct a poll. Okay, Q&A. So for the specialist certificate, it is 5 quarter, correct. So that will be a little over a year. Yes, if you are following one course per quarter for the specialist certificate, there are 5 courses, so that will be 5 quarters. So that will be, if you're taking one course per quarter continuously, that will be 1 year and 3 months. We need to keep up with the coursework weekly, or can we miss a week if we need to? You will need to keep up with the coursework weekly on a weekly basis. But if you are in some special situation, let's say if you are missing 1 week homework, you will need to communicate with the instructor ahead of time to let them know if you can do a late assignments. We have instructors available as well on the learning platform. So anytime you have question, even though there is no live session, but still instructors are available to answer your questions for the homework and for the assignments grading. So we have students usually prefer to take the class over the weekend, because for the weekend, taking one class 10 hours, so they are just like taking the weekend 5 hours per day to complete the class, to complete the homework. Or if you feel like you are the person to do a little by little, just taking 2 hours per day during the weekday and free your weekend. So that's really depends on your personal schedule, your life obligations, your family schedule, and your work. I'm new to accounting. Do you recommend taking an entry-level class or job before enrolling in your program? Yeah, so you can start with accounting principal certificate program. This is really good for a career starter and for a career changer. Are we able to register and pay fees online? Yeah, this is completely online enrollment. So I will be send out the follow-up email tomorrow. You will see the online enrollment link. You will just need to go online to enroll, let's say, the prerequisite course, and then you will be directed to the shopping cart, pay the tuition online. There can be used a credit card or debit card. Thank you for your input. Excuse me. So next, let me go to my contact information. So please feel free to email me the specific question you have toward your course plan. I can help you with the course plan and also find out if you are eligible to skip the prerequisite course, or you think that you have taken some courses elsewhere in some other institutions. Feel free to email me the transcript. Better you can email me along with the course description. So we are allowing one course per certificate program to be transferred. So we will email you all the follow-up information, including the link to the financing your education, the code for your $100 coupon code, and also additional information on the CPA exam. If you have any question about the course plan, your academic goal, your personal career goal, please do not hesitate to contact me. So I'm available to set up personal Zoom meeting or phone call to discuss furthermore with you. Okay, great. So again, thank you for attending our today's accounting information session. Please feel free to reach out to me either through my Calendly to schedule appointment or email me directly for your situation. I will be able to help you to achieve your academic goal or your career goal. Thank you for attending.